How to use a condom, presented by Pasante. First of all, always refer to the instructions supplied with the condoms you are using. Check the wrapper isn't damaged and that the condom is within the expiry date printed on the back. Carefully tear open the foil. Don't use scissors or your teeth. Check the condom is the right way up. The roll should be on the outside. The condom should be placed on the erect penis before any sexual contact. Squeeze the teat before placing on the penis. Carefully unroll down the entire length. If the condom feels too loose or too tight, use an alternative size. If you feel the condom slipping off, stop and check that the condom is still in place. Before withdrawal, hold the condom firmly at the base. Only when the penis is completely withdrawn should you remove the condom. After use, wrap the condom in tissue and place it in a waste bin. Don't flush it down the toilet. Practice safer sex. Always use a condom.